Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of you don't have permission to access on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.